Hey guys, in today's video I will explain to you what NFTs are and how can you make money with them. Alright guys, I am pretty sure that you have heard the term NFT, but you might not know exactly what they are. Well, my friend, let me tell you that I was in the same boat as you are right now. So I decided to do my research and I want to share with you what I have found out so far. Okay, NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and to put it simple guys, NFTs are digital assets that cannot be replaced for another identical item. Meaning that it's a unique digital asset on a cryptocurrency blockchain that is permanent, cannot be replaced, and cannot be counterfeited, and also it's owned. So a physical example of this concept can be sports cars. There are several copy brand sports cars out there, but there is one that is signed and certified, which makes it unique and more valuable. It doesn't matter if they make copies of the same car, because the copies will never be as valuable as the original one that is certified. And these assets can be anything from a photo, from a digital painting, a video clip, a meme, a song, etc, etc. Even though NFTs have been around since 2014, they started to gain a massive attention since the end of 2020. I personally never heard of them until November or December of last year. But if I'm honest with you guys, I didn't pay too much attention to them. But now, with the help of big name artists and influencers, the NFT market is skyrocketing. And even the NBA, NFL, and any other sports associations are creating their own NFTs. And NFTs are easy to create. You only have to go to a marketplace website like OpenSea or Foundation and get your NFT minted. There are several other marketplace websites that you can link into, but these are the ones that I heard the most. Once your NFT is minted, then you can put a set price or leave it to be actioned. Okay, let's ask the questions that everybody is asking. Can I make money with NFTs? And are they even worth trying? And how to even start doing that, right? The answer is yes, you can make money, and yes, it is worth trying. There's been people that had made millions of dollars with just one NFT, but there is a catch. A pattern that I noticed in all the successful NFTs or NFTs that make the most money are the ones in which the creators of those NFTs had some sort of big following established already in social media, or they are big name artists or athletes. So that means that most likely the success of your NFT is tied up to your success in social media. Which makes sense because NFTs as right now are more of a bragging right than an actual necessity. So my advice is to explore and research more about NFTs and cryptocurrency. I do believe that NFTs are great for all the artists and video content creators and creators in general. I do believe that NFTs are the future, so try it out, but do not put all your eggs in this basket. Keep doing what you're doing and generate income from other areas as well. And if your NFTs skyrocket and gives you thousands or maybe millions of dollars, well, my friend, you are set. And if that happens to you, please contact me. I would like to make a video about it. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope this information is helpful, and I know cryptocurrency is changing the way that we do business, and I don't think it's gonna go away anytime soon. So might as well we adapt and learn how to navigate these waters. I'm thinking of making one NFT and see where it leads to. At this moment when I'm recording this video, I do not have an NFT, but when I do, I will drop it on the description. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.